Here we are in section 7.6 working on question 39. We know that we need to have the radical part by itself, so I'm going to add the square root of 1 minus x to both sides. And because I want the radical by itself, I'm going to add 5 to move that to the other side. I'm going to do it in the same step because I can do that. And I get x plus 5. These go away, moves to the other side where it's 1 minus x. Now we have it in the form that we want. The radical by itself, everything else on the other side. So now I'm going to square both sides. And squaring means to multiply it by itself. And so I get x squared plus 5x. Inside is 5x. Last is 25. On the other side, square and square root are opposite operations, giving me 1 minus x. Because we have a quadratic here, we're going to move these to this side, so I have one side that says equals 0. So I've moved everything off the right side, so it says 0. On the left side, I have x squared. 5 plus 5 plus 1 gives me 11x. 24 minus 1 is 24. So I am looking for factors of 24 that add up to 11. So I'm going to call that 8 and 3. Because there's nothing in front of the x squared, we can go straight to parentheses. And I have x plus 8, x plus 3. If these are equal to 0, then my solutions are negative 8 and negative 3. Now I'm not done because I have to check for extraneous roots. So I'm going to take my negative 8 and negative 3 and plug them back into the red equation. If I put in negative 8 minus 1 minus negative 8, does that equal negative 5? So I get negative 8. Negative makes it positive, so the square root of 9 is 3. Negative 8 minus 3. Negative 8 minus 3 is negative 11, not negative 5. So we know that the negative 8 is a extraneous root. Let's try negative 3. Let's do that all again with a negative 3 in there. Negative 3 minus 1 minus negative 3 gives me 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Is negative 3 minus 2 equal to negative 5? Yes. So our solution is negative 3. Thank you to the third, fourth hour class. They would like to say hi, everybody.